All right, Tony, can you see my screen? Oh, turn on first your mic. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. What is Unit 29 all about?
About us.
All right. So Unit 29 is about us. So before we start with our activity, let's have first the vocabulary words. Tony, what are the given words we have?
Castle.
Next.
Hurt.
Next.
Hold.
All right, good. Castle, hurt, and hold. Tony, do you know these words?
Yes, I know.
Okay, good. Next, Tony, another set of words. Please read. We have
Drop.
drop. Next.
Shout.
Shout. Next.
Dangerous.
Dangerous. So we have drop, shout, dangerous. You know these words?
Yes, I know.
Good. Okay, another set of 3 words. We have
Surprise.
surprise. What else?
Huge.
Huge. And
Brave.
brave. You know these words?
Yes, I know.
Okay. So since you know these words, let's proceed now to the next one. So here, let's have a grammar activity or review. Tony, we have here past simple tense. If we say past simple tense, these are sentences that happened already. Past. Okay? So in the past simple tense, Tony, we use was and were. Can you see this? Was,
Yes.
where. We don't use is and are anymore if we talk about things that happened already. We use was and where. And also for the verbs, we have to make sure to add ed or to change it into irregular verbs. Okay? So Tony, can you please read the sentence example? Mary
Was too lazy to
lazy
to go exercise yesterday.
exercise yesterday. So as you can see,
Yesterday.
yeah, we use what? Because it happened yesterday. Okay, next. How about the verbs? The players
The players are very
arrived very.
early to go the game.
Okay, so as you can see here, Tony, we don't have is and are, but we change the verb or the action words into past tense. We add ed, okay? The present tense, or yeah, let me write. We have here the word arrive. You know what's arrive?
No.
Oh, arrive in Vietnamese is, let me see. Arrive means you came. Wait me, Tony, I'll translate. Wait. Arrive in Vietnamese is then. This one, Tony. Sorry.
Then,
Yeah, then.
can you write?
Yeah, of course. With me. You can say then or this one. Can you see it?
Yes.
Let me try. Then, you know what's then?
Then,
That toy.
yes, I know.
Okay, that's arrive. So we use arrive without ed if it's in the present. If we say present now or future in the next time, in the next day, okay? But since past tense is already happened, we add ed to make the word arrive in the past form because sometimes in other sentences, we don't use was and where. We will know that it's in the past because we add ed in the given Verbs. Example, arrived, plant, planted, wash, washed. Oh, happened already in the past. Okay. Now, Tony, please read about the next sentence. The one with negative verbs or negative words. There weren't. Go.
There weren't many people in the stadium.
Stadium. Okay, look at here, Tony. We use weren't, were not. Okay, next. How about the next one? Peter.
Peter did not play chess last Monday.
Okay, Tony. We only use did if it's already past sentences. Okay? Now here, Tony, in a question, we also use was and were and also did. So again, in the past simple tense, we don't use is and are, and we add it to the verbs or sometimes changed it. Okay. Now, Tony, please the definition of adverbs. Go.
Adverbs often modify verbs.
Modify. Modify.
Modify.
This means that
they disobey,
describe
the way an action is happening. The adverbs in each of sentences above answer the question in what manner. Okay.
All right. Okay, Tony, listen. Adverb is the part of speech. The use of the adverbs is to describe how you do the action. Example. Examples, Tony, give me an action word. Word that shows action. Huh? Verbs. Yeah. Words that shows action, moving. Example, I'll give you example, Tony. Eat. Do you move when you eat?
Yes.
Yes, it means it's an action word. How about run? Do you move when you run?
Yes.
Yes. So is it an action word?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Oh, Tony, can you give me one action word?
Yes.
Can you give me one?
Yes.
What is it?
Eat.
Done.
Run.
Eat. Run
and sleep.
Sleep. Yeah. Sleep. Also walk. Okay. Now here. Tony, these are what we call verbs. Okay. Verbs are called action words because they show action, right? We eat, we run, sleep, walk. Now here, let's talk about adverbs. Tony, adverbs describes how the way an action is happening. Example, Tony. Tony, listen. We have here example, walk. Tony, how do you walk, Tony? When you walk, how do you describe the way you walk? Do you walk fast? Slow?
Walk slow.
Oh, example. Tony walks slowly. Oh, I have here a sentence. Tony walks slowly. So the verb here or the action word that we use, Tony, is walks, right? This is the word that shows action. Tony, what word here describes walking? How do you walk? Tony, where are you? Cut here. I have here three words. Three words. Tony, walk slowly. Oh, we have here the verb or the action word walk. What word, Tony, here describes the way you walk? Is it the word Tony or is it the word slowly?
It's Tony.
What did it describes walking? Tells you how the way you walk. Tony, walk slowly. How do you walk?
How do you walk?
You walk.
I walk. One.
Look at the sentence. Tony walks slowly. How do you walk? I walk.
I walk slowly.
Yeah. So Tony, the word slowly here is what we call verbs because it tells us how you do the action. Like that. Oh, Tony runs fast. Oh, how do you run?
What?
Example, Tony runs fast. How do you run?
I write.
Run. Fast. Yes, very good, Tony. So the word fast there describes the action word. Now, Tony, most of the adverbs here have ly. Okay, slowly. Oh, gently. Oh, example, Tony writes nicely. Oh, it describes the given action. How you do the action. Tony, remember, if we say adverbs, it tells us how you do the action. Okay? How you do it. That's how you do it. All right, so here. Tony, look at here. Let's try to complete the sentence using adverbs. Well, badly, slowly, and fast. These are adverbs. It describes how we do the action. Tony, could you please read a sentence? That man, go. Please read.
That man sings very badly.
Oh, very badly. Correct. So as you can see here, Tony, badly is an adverb. It describes how the man sings. It makes it adverb. Okay, good. Next, Tony. Second sentence, please.
Yes.
Go second sentence.
That man is driving very slowly.
Oh, slowly. Let's see, Tony. Let's check. The answer is slowly, correct. So the word slowly describes driving, which is an action word. Okay, do you understand now what is adverb? You know, understand now?
Yes, I understand now.
Great. Okay, please don't forget the adverbs. Okay, now here, Tony, let's try to write these adverbs with adjectives. Okay, here, how do you write it? For example, Tony, how do you write the adjectives? Example, slow, it will turn slowly. Oh. Okay, we add y. Okay, now here, how about this one? Okay, Tony, can you turn these adverbs into adjectives?
Yes.
Adjectives, make it adverbs. Slow will become? Can you write?
Yes.
Okay. Please write.
Slowly.
Okay, write the word slowly. Make sure that to write it in a correct spelling. Okay, next.
I'm done.
Okay, Tony, could you please read what are the adverbs that we have here? Slow.
Slowly.
Next.
Quick. Quickly.
Next.
Quiet. Quietly.
Quietly.
Quietly. Careful. Carefully.
All right. So, Tony, let's check your answer. We have here slow. Slowly is correct. Quick. Quickly is correct. Quiet. Quietly is correct. And careful. Carefully is correct. Very good, Tony. Great work. Okay. Is this just easy for you? Did you
It's
understand?
so easy.
Wow, so easy. All right. So, Tony, we will end there. That will be your last activity for tonight because it's already time. And Tony, please always remember and don't forget the lesson that we had today, okay?
Okay.
All right. So don't forget the lesson because you will gonna use that lesson when you try to communicate. We use these adverbs all the time when we want to describe how we do the action. Okay? So that would be all for tonight, Tony. Thank you for your cooperation and goodbye. Goodbye, Tony. Good night.
Bye.
Yeah, goodbye.